you. By the birthday girl. Wala, picture sa move closer please. First picture. Wala pa rin. Okay. Hey, smile. Okay. Alright, birthday girl, talikod. Okay.
I'm so thankful now for 7 years and counting friends dyan punta until now. Dagdagan kita memories, especially pag high school sa I'm so glad na you see as a safe place na mo-open up ka about something na ako. Ikaw ang type na friend na bisa kita magtagal for a week or a month kay biliran na afford same rin naman ang friendship. Thankful ko na mga nagka-friends ka. Once again, happy birthday and good luck sa mong college journey.
Hi, Kayla. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. You're now an adult, Char. So now you're legally, free na ka makalaang. Tay, okay na? Pwede na rin wala ang kadamot. Oh yeah, very responsible always. And I know that those 18 years of your existence, Char, kaya you did a lot of great things, of course. So thank you, Day, for such a good friend. And you know, man, kanang ikorang, ay, kita Day, talo, nga kanang pili bang puyo, exam sa katong mga ilaga na pag sa Rio. Diba? So yeah, thank you for being supportive, you know, thank you kay murag ikaw na ang muda ka na kay murag kumpleto pang attendance kaysa nako nga konsehal. So yeah, thank you sa kanang being there 24/7 as team. So yeah, mura to. Dahil tarong sila ha, kay mahal ng tuition ko, ng inflation, grabe na. So yeah, actually hindi ako Ate Joy Day ko, sige na lang. Mura to, happy birthday.
Right, there you go. So sweet message. Wasting time at this surprise as well. Thank you. Okay, last photo, bro. Picture. Daddy ang propose ng toast para sa last part sa shots. Okay, pause the music at the name. Ano siya twist naman? So, there's gonna be a Q&A, a question and answer portion. And the questions will come from you. Or let's do it from okay. If you fail to answer the question, that means shot mo. Jadi mo makikita kayo dito sa tawak ko. Okay? Again, if masayo, magsugod ko. Meron ko magsugod. Salata ko. Ladies first. Shotgun. The month, the day, and the year. Yes. Yes, pero masayo pa shot lang ko. Okay, go. September 1, 2005. Wrong. Shot. Dapat dili iutong ha. Uy, ang apo niya sa kabaso liho. Di kinahalan lahos. Alright, still.
September 1, 2006.
September 1, 2006. Okay, asa nga ospital. Correct! You have a prize! Congratulations! Next question. Tell us the birthday girl's favorite color.
Purple.
Purple. Sad. Kaya piliin nyo, diwas na dahil. Sky blue. Ayun, subo ng mga bataan. Mas magiging ka na rin, pag nalok ako ninyo, subo na po. Next. Ay, congratulations! See. Next question. What is the birthday girl's comfort, or let's say favorite food? Pwedeng sukan, pwedeng snacks. Basta paborito sa birthday girl.
Ice cream.
Ice cream! Congratulations! Ice cream, manchanitas flavor. Next question. Question for the baby boy. Si number ni Barbie Charla. Question. Tell me, what is the birthday girl's favorite movie? Okay. Hobbies. One of her hobbies. Go. Ay, gamot ako tawain. Babag. I-post tayo. O, bumutulman. Ibabag siya, i-post mo. Paganda ng galaki ni mo. Hobbies niya. Sige na niya. Ano ba? Tando na ang birthday girl. Save. Save. Okay. Next question. How are you related to the birthday girl? Friend. I want you to tell me the mom's complete name. Complete name sa mama. First name, middle name, and the last name. Oh, shot. Shot. Alright. Next. Any question? Question. Okay. Tell me kung sa size sa iyang shoes. Five seconds. 1, 2, 3, 37. Correct. Save. Okay, tell me her favorite international singer. So, may hilig ka ba tayo? At mas kinibatan niyo. Questions, sir. One questions. Kuya. Tell me yung full name sa kuya sa birthday girl. First name, middle name, and the last name. Minsan mo na kailan kita. Silingan mo ba? Ako na kailan. Palinod mo yun, ha? Oh, shot! Asang shot niya? Oh, shot.
Kuan. Vince Ryan Salazar de Tancor. Vince.
Silingan mo dahil. Oh, di na. Congratulations, di ba? Di ba man? You get your glass. Where's your shot? Next question. Tell me what is the birthday girl, best friend sa birthday. Name sa best friend sa birthday girl. Go. Okay, Bryce. May kami ni Coach Shotgun. Okay. Next question. Random. Laing hobby aside from volleyball. Crochet. So this thing is crochet dahil. See, congratulations, you have your prize. Next question. Favorite day of the week? Favorite month of the year? Sige, yung sa question para si Muhan. Ano pang panay ka sa tuma? Random, anything. Any question? Tell me, asa na tao ang birthday girl? Iyang birthplace. Pero sa tsaka ibang tuloy sa siya. Okay. Oh, asa siya nag-reside ka ron? Go. Exact address ha? Apil ang period at ang kama.
City o Sita Nilka po sa Cebu City.
Correct?
New Sita Nilka po sa Cebu.
Pagpamalayin mo. Prize man na? Kasi prize, okay. Pagkat lang, ako lisuro ni mo question. Next question. Forward.
Ito na lang po, nabili niya.
Kasi main ingredient sa binigay. Parang may kulang ko ba na sa lumpia? Sabo, correct. Very good. Okay, prize. Okay. Next question. Asa makita si Pastor Kibuloy? Okay, asa siya sa school ka ron?
DCT.
Oh, sakto. Sa college naman ka dear na.
Yes.
So, unsay course na you take?
Bachelor of Science.
Correct? Correct! Lasa sila lang. Good luck. Tagpilang, tiki-tiki ka ron. Lalang. Pilay, edad ni Barbie. Magkaro na. Pumasal ka, katapusan mo na. Edad 20. Uy, siya pinaka-bright manan. Ang cake sa birthday girl, ihatag siya palihog na sa 16 years old. I love you lang. Shot lang. Okay. Ako ang nag-prize sila lang na coordinator. So I'm actually turning 30, born on September 27. You did a great job. Ang question sa Papa, para di siya kasya. Tell us, sir, when mo gikasal sa imong partner? Sinong buwan pa no? Kung nagulong-gulong na din sa tila pa kayo kahoy na.
Kung sa ito, sa April 20,
19 pagkataon din ako. 19 asa na church. Wala sila papano? Okay na lang. But anyway, sir, before we let these 18 shots go, we need to hear a toast from you lang. Propose a toast sa mga bisita and of course, to the rest of the 18 shots for youth hospitality. Okay? A big round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen, for the father of the debutant. Papa ka naman siya.
First of all, I would like to thank everyone to witness our birthday turning 18th anniversary. So, those for you that Huh?
Toast. Raise your glasses. And in 3, 2, 1, let's shout happy birthday! 3, 2,